Have you ever wished you could quiet your mind, to find a moment of peace amidst the chaos of daily life, and tap into a deeper part of yourself, a part that holds the key to your inner strength and tranquility? We all have that power within us, waiting to be unlocked and harnessed. It's called self-hypnosis, and it's easier than you think. Imagine being able to enter a state of deep relaxation and focus anytime you want. Self-hypnosis is a natural state of focused attention, where your mind becomes more open to positive suggestions and changes. It's like daydreaming, but with a purpose. Instead of your mind wandering aimlessly, you guide it towards a specific goal or state of being. You are in control the whole time, directing your thoughts and emotions towards a place of calm and clarity. You're simply guiding your mind to a place of relaxation and focus, where you can let go of stress and embrace a sense of peace. What if I told you that you could learn to use this power to improve your life in countless ways? You can reduce stress, boost your confidence, and even achieve your goals. Imagine feeling more in control, more at peace, and more capable of handling whatever life throws your way. All it takes is a few minutes a day, just a small commitment to yourself, to unlock the incredible power that lies within you. Start your journey today, and discover the transformative effects of self-hypnosis. Self-hypnosis can be a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation. It allows you to tap into the deeper layers of your mind, where true change begins. By practicing self-hypnosis, you can overcome negative thoughts and behaviors that may be holding you back. It's like having a personal coach within you, guiding you towards a more positive mindset. Imagine feeling calmer and more confident in your daily life. Self-hypnosis can help you build this inner strength, making it easier to face challenges and uncertainties with a composed mind. Stress is a part of life, but self-hypnosis can help you manage it effectively. By learning to calm your mind and body, you can reduce the impact of stress and prevent it from overwhelming you. Through regular practice, you can achieve a state of deep relaxation, which is essential for reducing anxiety and finding inner peace. This tranquility can extend into your everyday life, making you more resilient. Imagine feeling more relaxed and in control, even in challenging situations. Self-hypnosis empowers you to handle stressors with grace and poise, enhancing your overall well-being. Self-hypnosis can also help you achieve your goals. By focusing your mind on your desired outcomes, you can create a clear path towards success. It's about harnessing the power of your subconscious to work in your favor. By visualizing your desired outcomes, you can program your subconscious mind for success. This mental rehearsal prepares you for real-life achievements, making your goals more attainable. Imagine yourself reaching your full potential step by step. With self-hypnosis, you can unlock your inner capabilities and move confidently towards your dreams, one milestone at a time. Ready to begin your self-hypnosis journey? Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. This could be your bedroom, a cozy corner, or even your car. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly and deeply, then exhale slowly and completely. Let go of any tension in your body. Imagine yourself in a peaceful and relaxing place. It could be a beach, a forest, or a mountaintop. Visualize the sights, sounds, and smells of your sanctuary. Section 4, Step 2, Setting your intention. Now focus on what you want to achieve with self-hypnosis. Do you want to reduce stress, boost your confidence, or perhaps achieve a specific goal? State your intention clearly and positively. For example, you could say to yourself, I am calm and relaxed, or I am confident and capable. Repeat your intention several times, slowly and with feeling. As you do so, imagine yourself already experiencing the benefits of your intention. Section 5, Deep Relaxation. Now, let's relax your body even further. Starting with your toes, tense and release each muscle group. Move slowly up your body from your feet to your legs, your abdomen, your chest, your arms, your neck, and finally your face. As you tense and release each muscle group, imagine the tension melting away. Feel the relaxation spreading throughout your body. Continue breathing deeply and evenly. Allow your body to become heavy and relaxed. You are now entering a state of deep relaxation. Section 6. Embracing the trance. In this section we will guide you through the process of entering a deep hypnotic trance. This state of mind is both natural and beneficial, allowing you to access the deeper layers of your consciousness. You are now entering a hypnotic trance. Feel the calmness wash over you as you close your eyes and take a deep breath. Notice how your body begins to relax. and your mind starts to quiet down. This is a natural and pleasant state of focused attention. Your mind is becoming more and more attuned to the present moment. Allow yourself to be fully immersed in this experience. Don't try to fight it. Just allow yourself to drift deeper into relaxation. Imagine yourself floating on a gentle stream, feeling the water support you as you let go of all tension and stress. Visualize your intention as vividly as possible. Picture every detail clearly in your mind. The more vivid your visualization, the more powerful the effect will be. See it, feel it, and experience it as if it were already happening. Engage all your senses in this process. Feel the emotions associated with your intention, and let them fill you with a sense of certainty and peace. Believe in the power of your subconscious mind to make it a reality. Trust that your mind is capable of achieving great things when you focus your intention and energy. Spend a few minutes enjoying this state of deep relaxation and focused attention. Allow yourself to bask in the tranquility and peace that comes with this state of mind. When you are ready, gently bring yourself back to full awareness. Take your time, and when you open your eyes, carry this sense of calm and focus with you into your daily life. Section 7. The power within your reach. Congratulations! You have just experienced the power of self-hypnosis. With practice, you can learn to access this state of deep relaxation and focused attention in just 2 minutes. Remember, self-hypnosis is a skill that takes practice. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Use self-hypnosis to manage stress, achieve your goals, and create the life you desire. The power is within your reach.